Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going over how you'd replace the lights, right, or in your tail lights. You're going to see 4 screws that you're going to need to remove. These are just a P2 screw. Okay, so we've got the screws removed, and you'll be able to remove this whole thing. They're going to have some pins on this side, so you just want to kind of get your fingers under and just put some pressure on it, pull it straight out, and now we've got that pulled and removed. And now there's just an electric connector back here that you're going to squeeze this tab here and pull it away, and then that way you can remove the whole thing so that you can go through the process of replacing all the lights that are inside here. So right here we have this top one on the inside, and that is for the turn indicator light. And so you're just going to twist that a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then be able to pull this out and remove it. This is just a single element bulb to be able to put in there. And that one we're just going to press in and twist to the right or to the left to remove it. And this is an 1156, but it's an 1156 of natural amber. And so you'll want to get a natural amber colored one to put in there, because the lens cover on the front here is white, and so we want to have the natural amber color for our turn indicator. So just get an 1156. Now it's a single element, so it doesn't matter which way it goes in here. Just line up the posts in there, press down, turn that to the right to lock it into place, and then be able to put it back in the housing, line up the tabs, and turn that a quarter turn to the right and lock that in place. And then you would go ahead and reinstall these. Right here are the tabs that were holding it in on this side that you needed to hold a little bit more, or apply some pressure to pull it out. Right, so you would connect this electric back up if you're replacing just the housing because it's cracked or broken for any reason. And then you just line up the little tabs there, apply some pressure, push it in, install your 4 screws. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.